Wala namang ganun kababa. Bawi mo na lang sa futures mo. Mga nang may picture ka, madam. Dami natin dito. Cotabato Pagali. Tatugigaraw eh. Another watch, another day, guys. Monday morning. Aga natin dito ngayon. We have a watch here. This is a 31mm. And meron tayo dito si Ma'am Ruby. Ma'am Ruby, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. Hi.
Kamusta? Aga niyo, madam, Monday morning. Bibili ng relo. Yan, gusto ko. Hindi trabaho muna mo. Gastos muna. Tejas 31 rhodium stick. It's a steel on the go. Anything. Formal, not formal, grocery. Medyo sporty actually ang rhodium. Yun yung maganda rito. This is a year 2022. So this one, we are selling for $699. Very fair pricing. Right now, 31mm, 2025. Lahat nag-balloon up. Is this your first Rolex?
Yes, first.
What do you do for a living, if you don't mind?
Right now, I day trade.
Kasi Forex or future?
Day trade. So, I think people can go Google.
GMG mo. Di ba? Google mo gago. So, day trading ka, and this is your first Rolex. $699, what do you think?
Crystal Rolex. I came from Pampanga.
Pampanga lang? Wala. Pangit yung bala ng Pampanga kasi ang dami natin dito. Cotabato Pagali. Tatugigaraw eh. I can do 685. 15K off the back that. For your first Rolex. Complete pa siya. Papers, tags, extra links, everything. Andyan.
660.
No, I can't. Wala namang ganun kababa. Bawi mo na lang sa futures mo. Mga nang may picture ka, madam.
665.
I can't go that low.
675.
Hindi na kaya.
Kaya mo yan, sir.
I can't give that much. Actually, right now, tignan nyo, ang dami na ng operation namin. May binubuo pa kami shop dito, tapos may gentry care pa kami binubuo. Tapos I just signed a contract para sa BGC namin. Kaya kailangan namin ng pera. 680, that would be the best.
676.
680. Promise, that's the best I can do. May libre ka naman ng hoodie. May Dandil hoodie ka, madam. 680. Dandil. From 700, 680. Go.
678. Oh! Inversion yun.
Walang
Congratulations
tatatak.
to me. Bank transfer. Now na.
Oh, kunin mo na 680. Ito naman.
678, sir. Dali.
Sige na, 678. Dandil. Thank you so much. Yung hoodie natin, large, kay madam.
Nag-iisa lang.
Dandil, ma'am. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much.